In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google and Bing, which are two of the most used search engines on the internet. First, I'm going to start out by talking about Google. Google is the most used internet search system in the United States. As such, it's important to understand its features. Unlike when you're using the library catalog or EBSCOhost or something like that, Google actually does not use Boolean operators. It does have operators though, and there is a way that you can do searches similar to Boolean operators. As you can see on the screen right here, this is the Google search operator screen. They do have some different search operators to use. And actually they do use the Boolean operator OR, so you can use that one, but AND and NOT will not work on here. I would recommend looking over this screen if you have any questions about how to narrow your search results down on Google. So I'm going to do a search right here, and I'm going to type in War of 1812. And notice that I have my search in quotation marks. This, in this case, gives it about half the results because it looks for this phrase together instead of all the words. So as you can see, I have a couple of good web pages up here to start with. This first one is from Wikipedia. Oftentimes you'll find links for Wikipedia at the top of Google search results. It also gives me some options here underneath. So for instance, I can block it, or I can go to different articles that are related to this one. As we scroll down on the search result, we also might see some videos on YouTube. This particular video is from a series called Crash Course on YouTube, as it says right here, which looks at history. We also see some images, and it also gives us some ideas of how we can narrow our search results down. In some cases, a Google search isn't going to be good enough for you. In this case, you're going to want to use the advanced search. After you do a search in Google, if you click on this gear right here and click on advanced search, it will take you to this screen. As you can see, it already has that I'm looking for the exact phrase War of 1812 right here. This is basically like using quotation marks. All of these words would be similar to using the AND statement. Any of these words would be like OR, none of these words is like NOT. There's some other options down here. One of the other interesting things is this site or domain search right here. This will allow you to search for a site within a specific domain. It's very useful if you're just looking for government websites or education websites or organizations. So this is a brief overview on Google, and now we are going to move over and talk a little about Bing. Right off the bat, the first thing you will notice is that Bing is very colorful and very bright. Unlike Google, Bing does use advanced search operators. This page right here is a listing of their advanced search operators. I just found it on regular search. Do use AND, NOT, OR, and a couple other ones such as the phrase. It works very similar to Google, so I'm going to type in my search terms. And in this case, I can use an AND statement, so I will go ahead and do that, add in timeline, hit search, and the search results actually look very, very similar to Google, except for they're obviously going to be different. Wikipedia is second on this one. There's recommendations right here, and there are no videos or anything else here. So this is a short introduction to using Google and Bing, and I hope that this video has been helpful for you.